Which of the following will host the International Olympic Committee session in 2023? The correct answer is A, that is Mumbai, India. So, the IOC session for 2023 will be held at Geo World Convention Center, Mumbai. So, the last session was hosted by India in the year, last hosted session in 1983 in New Delhi, and after that we are now going to host 2023 session. What was the theme of 30th National Commission for Women Foundation Day addressed by Narendra Modi? The correct answer is B, that is She the Change Maker. The aim of this is to celebrate the achievements of women in different fields. India and Oman started Eastern Bridge 6 air exercise in which of the following cities? The correct answer is C, that is Jodhpur. And the aim of this is to provide the operational exposure and undertaking mutual exchange of best practices towards enhancing operational capability of both the air forces. IIT will establish its first branch outside India in which of the following countries? The correct answer is D, that is UAE. So, India would be setting up its first overseas branch of the Indian Institute of Technology in UAE. It will be under the India-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement signed on 18th Feb 2022. The agreement name is CEPA, that is Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, and the first branch set up abroad IIT Dubai, UAE. Which of the following countries' central banks became the second largest buyer of gold in 2021? The correct answer is A, that is India. So, when it comes to gold buying, the Reserve Bank of India emerged as the second largest buyer of yellow metal among the world's central bank in 2021. What is the name of the initiative launched by RPF of Western Railway Zone for railway passengers to get back their lost luggage? The correct answer is C, that is Mission Amanat. So, the RPF has taken a new initiative by launching Mission Amanat, making it easier for the railway passengers to get back their lost luggages. And the detail of lost luggage and belongings along with photos are posted on the official website of the zonal railway. Meri Policy Mera Haath was launched by which of the following ministries? The correct answer is D, that is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Meri Policy Mera Haath campaign was launched recently in Hassan, Karnataka. Meri Policy Mera Haath campaign was launched recently in Hassan, Karnataka. About the campaign is a part of the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It is a part of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. And the aim of this is to motivate all the farmers in the country to insure their crops. Who won the World Games Athlete of the Year Award 2021? The correct answer is C, that is PR Srijesh. So, Indian men's hockey player PR Srijesh has won the World Game Athlete of the Year Award for 2021. Which of the following Indian states got first of its kind state level bird atlas? The correct answer is B, that is Kerala. So, Kerala Bird Atlas was an ambitious citizen science project to map the distribution and abundance of birds in an entire Indian state for the first time. Who inaugurated the 40th Khajuraho Dance Festival 2022? The correct answer is D, that is Mangu Bhai Patel. So Madhya Pradesh Governor Mangu Bhai Patel has inaugurated the 40th Khajuraho Dance Festival 2022 at world famous tourist destination Khajuraho on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. As per Uran India Wealth Report 2021, India's millionaire household increased by what percentage? The correct answer is C, that is 11%. So the number of dollar millionaire household in India increased by 11% to 4,58,000 households in 2021. AVGC Promotion Task Force was announced in the Union Budget 2022. In AVGC, what does C stands for? The correct answer is B, that is comics. So the full form of AVGC is animation, visual effects, gaming and comics. Toshiki Kaifu passed away recently. He was the former Prime Minister of which of the following countries? The correct answer is A, that is Japan. He was a Japanese politician who served as the 77th Prime Minister of Japan from 1989 to 1991. Which of the following films won Best Short Film Award in Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival Award 2022? The correct answer is B, that is Pauli. So this event was held in Mumbai and the best performance from the last year were honored in the event this time. Who won ESPN Crick Info Test Betting Award 2021? The correct answer is D, that is Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant 89 not out which ended Australia unbeaten. Which of the following became the world's first bank to set up shop in the metaverse? The correct answer is C, that is JP Morgan. So JP Morgan has become the first bank to enter the metaverse, opening a lounge in the popular blockchain based world Decentraland, one of the most popular metaverses. Sea-Dome is the naval defense system of which country? The correct answer is B, that is Israel. The Sea-Dome system designed to intercept advanced threats was developed by the army jointly with the Israeli Defense Ministry and the Israeli-based defense company Rafael. Jiva program was launched by Dash. The correct answer is A, that is NABARD. NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Jiva will promote natural farming under its existing watershed and Wadi programs in 11 states. Kisan Drone Yatra was launched by Dash. The correct answer is C, that is Narendra Modi. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Kisan Drone Yatra and it is initiative by Garuda Aerospace Private Limited and flagged off 100 Kisan drones in various cities and towns across India to spray pesticides in farm across the state of India. Waste to Wealth Creation Program related to which of the following organization? The correct answer is D, that is SIDBI. The full form of SIDBI is Small Industry Development Bank of India. It has launched the Waste to Wealth Creation Program for women in the Sundarban in West Bengal. Take a break from social media was launched by Dash. The correct answer is B, that is Instagram. So Instagram has announced a new campaign that is called Take a Break. In various countries including India, Take a Break will alert users scrolling on Instagram to periodically take break from the platform and focus on other things. And the platform will also alert users of the new inclusion with a notification. Which of the following will be the first country to adopt India's UPI system? The correct answer is C, that is Nepal. So Nepal is the first country to adopt India's UPI system. Hope Express to prevent cancer was launched by which of the following states government in February 2022? The correct answer is A, that is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope announced the Hope Express will be launched in state to prevent cancer. Darkathon 2022 was organized by, the correct answer is C, that is NCB. The full form of NCB is Narcotics Control Bureau. So NCB is organizing in New Delhi the Darkathon 2022 to find solution to counter drug trafficking through darknet across the globe, and the aim at involving students, youth and technical experts to find effective solution to unravel the anonymity of darknet market. What is the rank of India in EIU*S Democracy Index 2021? The correct answer is B, that is 46th. So India has ranked 46th position in 2021. The Economist Intelligence Unit with the highest score of 9.75, Norway topped the Democracy Index 2021, and the list was published on 10th February 2022. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.